Hi everyone, I've got a Honda Civic here on a 2009-2010 plate. Just going to show you how to reset the tyre pressure warning light on this. Now that's the warning light right there on the top right hand corner. Now to do it, all you got to do is switch the ignition on, make sure your car is in neutral, and if you've got an automatic car, make sure it's in park, the handbrake's up. And then you got this information button here. All you got to do, press and hold this button for 3 seconds, and then you press the information button again. You've got the tyre warning symbol now. Press and hold the reset button. Maybe not. So we press it once, it says okay. Now to reset it, press the same button again. Sorry, not the reset, the information button, my bad. And then that's completed. That's all you got to do. Now if I start the car up, as you can see on the right hand side, the light's gone. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.